Are you looking for a reliable and experienced private land surveyor in Amaravathi? Look no further, because SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your surveying needs. With their expertise and dedication, they have established themselves as the go-to surveying company in Amaravathi. Whether you need a survey for residential or commercial purposes, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. They have a team of highly skilled and knowledgeable surveyors who are equipped with state-of-the-art technology to provide accurate and detailed surveys. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other surveying companies is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of your project and strive to deliver exceptional results. Their private land surveyors are not only experts in their field but also excellent communicators. They will listen to your requirements and ensure that they provide you with the best possible solutions. This personalized approach is what makes them stand out from the competition. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a proven track record of successfully completing numerous land surveying projects in Amaravathi. Whether it's determining property boundaries, conducting topographic surveys, or providing construction staking services, they have the experience and expertise to handle it all. Their team is well versed in the latest surveying techniques and technologies, ensuring that you receive accurate and reliable results. When you choose SCON Design India Pvt Ltd as your private land surveyor in Amaravathi, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is in capable hands. Their attention to detail, professionalism, and commitment to excellence are evident in every project they undertake. They understand the importance of delivering surveys on time and within budget, making them the ideal choice for all your surveying needs. In your project, are you in search of a private land surveyor in Amaravathi? Look no further, because SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your surveying needs. With their expertise and professionalism, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveying companies in the region. Whether you need a topographic survey, boundary survey, or construction staking, they have the knowledge and tools to get the job done accurately and efficiently. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other surveying companies is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of providing accurate and reliable survey data, as it forms the foundation for any successful project. With their state-of-the-art equipment and experienced team of surveyors, you can rest assured that your land will be surveyed with precision and attention to detail. Hiring a private land surveyor is crucial when it comes to land development or property acquisition. It ensures that you have an accurate understanding of the boundaries and characteristics of your land, which is essential for making informed decisions. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd excels